We have enhanced the section box and the different section tools in the 3D environment in order to create a section as precise as possible. You can first click to define the start point of the clip box. In the bottom left corner of your screen, you can adjust the X, Y, and Z coordinates for this point. Tap Enter to confirm. You can now determine the length, width, and height of the section box by changing the values, or you can move your mouse in the direction of an axis and press and hold the control button. The direction is now locked and is always parallel to the standard Y direction. If you let go, you can also lock in the X direction, and you can lock it in the Z direction. Confirm by clicking and your section box will be created. You can now adjust it. The same can be applied for a horizontal section. Just press and hold Ctrl and it will automatically lock in the Z direction. Apart from creating a section according to the direction, it can also be used to snap on other objects than on the points of the point cloud. And of course, the locking of the axis is also possible for vertical sections. When you confirm, you can see that it is done very precisely. You can now adjust the width manually, or you can add it in the left bottom of your screen.